Today we're going to take the exhaust on this BMW G20 M340i from this to this. Hey, this is Brian. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. Today, we're going to show you how to upgrade your exhaust tips. Now, the tips that we're going to be using today are BMW OEM, but they're black. Now, if you've been following this M340i build, you'll notice we've done everything carbon and also black. And well, these gray exhaust tips, while they look pretty cool, they just don't compare to the black ones, and these are gonna match everything that we've done a lot more. So let's get a 10mm ready and swap them out. Now, when it comes to swapping out the exhaust tips on your BMW G20, it is super simple. There's a 10mm over here and a 10mm over here. You're gonna slide it back and then we're gonna pull it out. Then you get the new one, you slide it on, pull it forward, take your 10mm, tighten that, and we're done. Let me show you what I mean. All right, so underneath the car, as I said earlier, there is a 10mm over here. Then if you look on the other side, there's another 10mm over there. So at this time, let's remove this one here. And we'll slide you over and remove this one. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take the exhaust tip, you're going to slide it towards the front of the car and then out. And the reason for that is there's this little piece of plastic right there that holds this tab in place. So we're gonna just slide it back, we can rock it down and slide it out. All right, now what we can do is take our new exhaust tip, we're gonna install it the exact same way, just in the reverse order. Be very careful with this tab. You wanna make sure that this slides into the plastic up here when you go to slide it forward. So we're gonna carefully put it on here. We're gonna slide it back. We're gonna push this up to make sure that hook engages, slide it forward, and you'll know you did it right if when you have it in place, it doesn't go anywhere. And we're gonna take our 10mm again. Put our one screw in over here. And take our other screw and put it in the other side. Now, one thing that you'll notice when you install, it sits pretty flush with the diffuser over here, where with the other ones, these do stick out a little bit further. Now, when you install them, they only go on one way. You'll notice that the black is a little bit slimmer than the gray. Let's finish up the passenger side and then check out the final result. Everything is done and the black just looks so good. Like I said, especially because of the other carbon and black accents on the car. And that's how quick and easy it is to change out your exhaust tips on your BMW G20. For links to all of the products and tools we used in today's video, be sure to see the links down in the description. Once again, my name is Brian. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com for all of your BMW retrofit, performance, and aesthetic needs. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.